Hi, I'm Afton and welcome to Cooking with Afton. Today is Vlogtober day 4. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make Guyanese, Bora and chicken stew. Alright, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your Bora and chicken delicious and tasty just like mine. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and give my video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys step by step. And thank you guys so much for supporting me so far with my Vlogtober. So today's the 4th day, so I'm going to keep on going. So I'll show you guys the ingredients now. So thanks guys for your support. Hey guys, so this is my ingredients for my Guyanese Bora and chicken. First we have some mustard hot sauce, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, parsley flakes, thyme. We have some potato, 1 Wiri pepper. I already cut up my Bora with some carrots. And bottom here we have some coconut milk, grated garlic, some dry thyme, tomato paste, some celery and shallots cut up. We have some chicken here, black pepper, grated ginger. So let's season up our chicken now. So the first thing you're gonna do is put some all-purpose seasoning on your chicken. As you can see, I'm not using a lot of chicken. I decided just to put a little bit chicken. You're gonna put some chicken seasoning, some paprika, some mustard hot sauce, some black pepper, some grated garlic, some thyme powder, and I'm gonna put in a little bit of ginger as well. Alright, and now you're gonna mix this together and you can leave this to marinate overnight, or you can let it marinate for a couple minutes. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just put on my pan here and I'm gonna put in about 2 teaspoons of oil to fry up my chicken. So my oil is hot up, so I'm gonna put in my seasoned chicken to fry up. And let it fry up for a few minutes. Okay, so my chicken has been frying now for about 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do is just cover it and let it fry up some more. We'll be back. Okay guys, so the chicken has been frying up for 5 minutes. Let it cover. So you're going to do now, you're going to put in your shallots and celery. And your dry thyme. Garlic, grated garlic, and grated ginger. I'm going to mix everything together. Also, you're going to put in your tomato paste. I'm going to put in your tomato paste. And you're going to mix it up. You're also going to put in your coconut milk. mix everything up together. So now we're gonna put in our 1 cube. If I have to put more, I'll let you guys know. And some black pepper. And then mix it up. So now you're gonna put in your Bora and some carrots. As you can see, it's not much Bora I'm cooking today because I'm cooking for myself. Alright, and then you're gonna put in your potato and your one Wiri pepper. And you're gonna mix up everything together. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna pour some water. So and then pour the water, you're gonna mix it up together, and then you're gonna cover your pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the potato gets soft. Alright, so we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay guys, so my Bora, ooh, a lot of steam, has been cooking for about 20 minutes on low heat. You can see the potato going right through, so the potato is done. Alright, so let me just taste it and see if it needs one more cube. Yes, it needs the other cube. So I'm gonna put the other cube inside. And then I'm gonna mix it up together. Alright, so our food is done here. I'm gonna eat my Bora with some white rice. Alright, so I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Hey guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese Bora and chicken stew. Let me give you guys a close-up look here. Here it is. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And also follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? And today is Vlogtober day 4. So look out for another video tomorrow as well. Okay guys? And thank you guys so much for your support. Bye.